Rodella and Trey are mowing the lawn. There's Dad's mower, and there's Trey's mower. Let's see. Trey's little mower that blows bubbles. Are you helping Daddy, Trey?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Daddy.
What are you guys do? What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Your mower's dirty?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
From the grass?